Well, he jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hi, I'm Justin.
I'm Susan. This is Kicking 66 Skoolie. Come on in. This is our captain's seat. It's not much different from the original. We will do a lot of work on it in the future. And then our toolbox is not just a toolbox, it's cabinet storage, all kinds of stuff in there.
What I love about those is you can lock it and they're going to stay
Yes,
shut.
It's locked, doesn't come open during travel. It is bolted down really well so it won't move at all. This is our couch. It slides out to be a bed. So you see,
Pull it out all the way.
but many have this, do it this way with the
Yep.
slats that intersect. Thank you.
We can't finish that off yet until we have our tile floor down, so it's not
done
usable yet.
Yeah, it's,
This is our kitchen area. This is a butcher block. We got at Lowe's, trimmed it down because it was a little long, and cut the holes for the stove and the sink. And everyone loves our countertop, but we do too. Our dinette table and benches. This was a tabletop that we just routed the edges and stained and put a leg on.
sure. Now does that collapse down to make a...
It
Yes.
does. The table comes off and it makes a bed.
It fits right down in there.
Yep.
Yep.
Our wood burning stove for when we're in cold areas, and it doubles as a cooktop. And our cool fridge. We're going with like a retro 50s theme, if you haven't
I've
noticed.
seen a lot that are similar to this,
Yeah.
very popular and always red.
Yep. They make a black one and a red one, and probably people
I'm waiting
think
for the
red
trend to
one's
go retro 70s and they're all avocado.
Yes.
I hope that never happens.
Our curtains are all handmade with canvas on the front and the back, and then the middle is Insulbright, the stuff that goes inside hot pads. So it provides insulation and it's blackout, keeps the light out,
Sure.
and some privacy. And this color goes with our red retro 50s theme. This is our little hallway, our utility closet. This is a custom-made ventilation plate in an atomic shape to go along with our retro 50s theme. And these are our batteries and our inverter and our electrical system, and I'll let Justin explain what it all is.
We just have 4 200 amp hour gel batteries, and right now we have 2 solar panels on the top that are 330 watts each. We will be adding a bunch more onto that, which we don't know for sure how far we're going to go. We're just going to play it out as time goes on. So.
Sure. A lot of it depends on how much your charge controller can handle.
Mm-hmm.
Or like
Yeah,
me,
we'll add more if we need to.
I added another charge controller, so
Kind of looks like that's the easy route to go when you're adding too much more.
yeah.
In the hallway is another toolbox. Same deal, bolted down, we can lock it, it won't come open. This is a jewelry box that Justin made a few Christmases ago from wood from my grandpa's sawhorse, and we wanted to keep it in our home, so we put
Nice.
it there. And this is our bathroom. And it's sort of outhouse, rugged, natural look. The shower will go there where all that storage is.
Right.
And the wall is all pallet wood. The toilet is a composting toilet with a urine diverter. And a lot of people like our vanity and sink.
And then there's 2 lights. We have 12-volt lighting and then 110 lighting also.
Yeah. Our closet is not finished, but we're using it as a closet. In our bedroom, a lot of people ask, how do you get on your bed? We have, the bed is on the engine and it has steps, 2 steps, so we use the steps to get up in bed.
Sure. What, you don't use a little trampoline right here?
No, we don't like launch ourselves into bed. People have actually asked that.
Trampoline, I'd be banging my head on it.
I would try it, but I would hit my head.
Yeah, I'd probably hit my head on the steps, so.
Our light switch is the switch that was used to open and close the door, the bus
Oh,
door.
yeah, cool. Nice repurpose.
And our lights are repurposed bus lights, so
Yep.
it's like nice at night, not harsh on your eyes to have the lights on, and it provides enough that you can see.
Sure. Diesel heater?
Yeah, we have a diesel heater.
I like mine.
Yeah, we love ours, and we have a diesel heater in the front. We took out the fan and everything in the front.
The original heater.
Yeah, the
guts are
original
all
heater,
out.
and put the diesel heater and turn on the blower, and it will defrost.
Did you plumb the diesel heater into your main tank?
No.
Yeah, I did mine, but left about 4 inches off the bottom, so I can't drain it all.
Smart.
Just trying to stay warm.
Smart.
Makes sense.
So,
And then underneath the bed is the bed for Sasha, our dog.
Right.
And we also have option for storage on the benches that we use to get in the bed. And
yeah, very nice.
that's it for the inside.
Do you have any social media presence? I mean, so people can get a hold of you that.
Yes, we're Kickin66 Skoolie on Instagram.
All right.
It's Kickin_66.
I think I got a shot of that as we came in, but.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, thank you very much. I look forward to crossing paths with you again and seeing the progression of how this has gone.
Next
Thank
year
you.
you'll see a lot different.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're excited for our progression too.
Yeah, it's always fun.